people. Today I want to unbox my 2022 planner inserts from Louis Vuitton. So I'm kind of on the fence about these. I have been going back and forth whether I really want to invest in these or not. But here I am. I'm just kind of getting tired of printing and cutting inserts. And also I really regret not getting the ones from 2021 because they had super cute section dividers. People are taking them and laminating them and making them into like dashboards. And I'm really sad I didn't get them because they had Vivian on them. But anyway, let's get down to it and see what I have in here, and we'll take a look and see. Okay. So one thing about the Louis Vuitton inserts is they do sell out. And like for 2021, by the time I figured out I wanted them, I couldn't find them anywhere. So that's why I ordered these so early. Okay. I didn't think I was going to get these today because UPS was scheduled to be here between 1 and 5. And nobody was going to be home till 5 o'clock. But for once it worked out that they were a little bit late. Okay, so the envelopes. Talk about exchanges and returns. Oh, there's my... What is this? Well, that's a return label if I do decide to return them. This is my receipt, which has my name and address, so I'm not going to open it up. But that's all that comes in these. That's not terribly exciting, so I'm not going to open all three. I'm sure it's the same thing in all of them. Yeah. So let's just put this boring stuff aside and see what we have. This cute little envelope. I don't really want to rip it. Oh, it opens this way. Silly me. Oh, it's just a blank card. Never mind. I think last year, I think this is like, you can fill this out if it's like for a gift or something. Like you can type something in when you order it and they will print it on there. But so I thought it was going to be real clever. Not last year, but the very first year I bought inserts from Louis Vuitton. And I thought, oh, I'm going to be smart and get my name and address put on here. And then I'll just have a nice little card with my name and address on it. And they still sent it blank, so I don't know what the point of that was. So it comes in the cute little box. So these are the pocket size, or the PM size, if you will. I'm trying to figure out how I can open this without ripping it in case I want to return it. But I don't know. I probably won't return it, so I'm just going to dig right in. So tiny. Once this comes off, I think I'm doomed. Then I think they're mine forever. Okay, let's look what we have here. I'm going to move this out of the way. All right. So 2022 agenda, and then we have some personal information, This paper is so thin. Not in the good way, like Tomoe River paper. Okay, so this looks like dates, like holidays and stuff. But now they have it in this little graph form, which I don't understand why they have it twice. So anyway, it looks like there's some holidays there. Oh my God. So I'm telling you, if this is the only thing that's on these dividers, I'm gonna be so pissed. So here's the end of December. So this starts on, this is the weekly, obviously. Starts on Monday, December 20th of 2021. Okay, here we actually have a picture. I was like, if I only get this, I'm going to be really mad because then that's just too boring. I don't know. These pictures aren't as cute as last year's, but you know, what are you going to do? Let's see. So that's January. Wow, these papers really like to stick together. Okay. February. Looks like this. That one's kind of cute. I like that one. That's March. Wait. No, that's April. Sorry. I think I skipped a month. I'm doing a terrible job. I'm sorry. Okay, so that was February. Okay, here's March. And if I was paying attention to the month here, I would know that. That was cute. And April. So April is the one with the cherry blossoms. That makes more sense to me. May. Okay. And here's June. July. August. And September. October. November. And December. So there you go. That is all the section dividers. Let's see. Does it give you anything in 2023? Let's find out. So it does look like you get the 1st of January. So you get one day. And then here we have, I don't know what the hell this is, to be honest with you. This is 2023, so I don't know. And here's some little stickers. And that is the end of the weekly inserts. Okay, so in the next box, I'm not opening the blank card again. I fell for that once, didn't I? So let's open this. So this comes in a little bit sturdier packaging. This is also the PM size, obviously. Oh, it doesn't really come in sturdier packaging. It's exactly the same. It's just bigger. Oh, it's in different sections. I get it now. Okay. So this is the daily. So I was kind of on the fence. Do I want the weekly? Do I want the daily? Do I want both? So I just got both. Because if I would have got the weekly, then I'd keep going back to the website, looking at the daily and going, oh, I wish I would have got the daily instead. And if I would have got the other one, then you know what I'm saying. So when does this start? Okay, so let's start at the beginning here. I'm not going to go through all these packs, but again, you have some personal information. You can put your address and phone number and whatnot. There's some more holidays. I just think they need to get a little bit more creative with what they can put at the beginning. So then a spot for some notes. And then I guess you get the same section dividers as the weekly. Okay, so this is going to start on Saturday, the 1st of January. And it looks like Saturday and Sunday share a page. And then the first weekday is the 3rd. So then you have timed. I'm trying to hold it close so you can see, but it goes from 8 to 2100 hours. And then you have a little section on there for notes or whatever. So that's kind of nice. And I think that's probably all that's in here, except the dividers between the months. So those are nice. I like those. Let's see. I wonder if I get stickers with this. Do you think I do? And where would they be located? I'm guessing you don't get any stickers with this, which doesn't make any sense because I think the dailies are actually more expensive. You'd think they'd throw in some stickers. It's like, come on, throw me a bone here, man. Oh, wait. Ha. Ask and you shall receive. Stickers. Of course, they're not as cute as last year's, but hey, it's better than nothing, right? So that's the daily for the PM. So before I get to this last box, let me grab my little PM here. And I haven't been using it. I was going to use this Cocoa Daisy mini dory in here, and I just never set it up. So this does not have the original rings. I have put bigger rings in from Gillio. These are Krause rings. I think they're 16 millimeter. And the ones that come with the PM are super tiny. They're like 9. So it's just not feasible for me to use something that small. So what I would probably do is put in like a couple of weeks and then some pages to match, you know? So you notice what's missing out of here is there's no monthly view, which sucks. So then let's just say I'd put in some daily pages. I'm still going to have to find some monthly pages, But yeah, that should work out just fine. I think I'll start carrying this. I mean, I was going to use a Weeks, but I think I might repurpose a Weeks and just start using this and see how I like it. So, and I got plenty of room for more, so I can put in, like maybe I'll go to the Filofax website and buy a monthly view from Filofax, since they don't supply that with Louis Vuitton. You'd think for the price they would. But I can put more stuff in here. I got plenty of room yet, so that should work out okay. So let's go to this box here. It's such a thin box. And so these aren't going to be terribly exciting because these are basically just the, I think it's the weekly for the MM size, which I think it's weird they don't carry daily for the MM. That's a shame. Maybe they used to and they're kind of, I don't know. Somebody maybe knows and can let me know, but I feel like if they do for the PM, they should have it for the MM. I mean, you have lots more room in the MM for daily pages, but, you know, it's pretty much the same. See, it starts on the 20th of December. And then you have all the same dividers. So here's what a week looks like in the MM. So you have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday on the left side, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and a little note section or whatever if you like stickers or whatnot. You can put that down here in this square. It has this little corner you can tear off to keep track of where you are, which I think is kind of neat. But okay, so these are also silver on the edge. Let's get my MM and see how they look. So I'll just grab this one. So again, I'll have to find some kind of monthly insert. Stickers, 2 pages. So there we go. I mean, that's pretty, it doesn't take up a lot of space. I guess that is the good thing about the thin paper, is that just gives you more room for other things. Because I'll need a monthly insert, you know, I might put a couple of other things in here. So, all right, and that is pretty much it. I mean, it's not very exciting, but I thought maybe if you were on the fence, you might like to see what they look like this year. So that is all, folks. So thanks for joining me, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye.